Good morning, second graders. Today is Thursday, April 30th, 2020, and today you are going to learn more about fractions. So the first thing I want you to do is log into BrainPop Junior and watch more fractions. Then you are going to take out your math workbook and complete pages 397 to 398. It is our quick quiz. And for your quick quiz, the first one, you're going to count how many stars are in this row, put the answer here, and keep going with the rows, and then the columns. Then you need to write two addition problems that go with the array. So one would be 4 plus 4 plus 4. What is the other addition equation? You need to write both of them. Then number 2 and 3, it says measure in centimeters, draw rows and columns, write the number of small squares. If you don't have a centimeter ruler, just eyeball it, it's okay. Then down here on 4, it says make 2 halves, show 2 different ways. So how can you cut those 2 squares in halves? Shade half of the circle, so cut the circle in half and then shade half of the circle. And then on the other side, you're going to practice your addition and subtraction facts, right? And then if you are still looking for math to do, you can log into IXL and complete W6, identify the fraction. So if I open it up here, is what fraction of the shape is orange? One part is shaded out of 1, 2, so I'm looking for 1/2. What fraction of the shape is blue? Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 parts shaded, but then I need to count the total parts for the bottom number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4/8 of that circle are shaded. And then continue on with that. And then if you still are looking for something else to do, there's 2 optional fraction games, Seashell Fractions and Geometry Picnic, if you are interested. All right, have a great day today learning math.